Not only is this going to make great memories for you and your family, but this is super cheap and affordable. I mean, 10 bucks for this and something that you can use over and over again. Okay.
Okay, let me do. So, there. We're opening it up. This is so exciting, Mom.
Oh, I'm glad you're excited.
Whoa! Okay.
Hold on, don't take it out. Hold on. Seven days before Christmas, you're gonna start this countdown, and every day you're gonna turn this tin to the different numbers. You're gonna be reading the story that comes in this, and on the side it has this key and, I'm sorry, it has a lock, and then the key, Hallie's already hidden it, is in here. And then you're going to lock the side and put a couple different little treats and trinkets in here for your kids to open. They're gonna open it on Christmas Eve. This is the book that's going to come inside, and you are going to love this. It has this great little section in here, a very special gift for, and you get to put the child's name in here. Either you can use it with the stickers or you can handwrite it. We actually did. All right, so we just finished putting all the info in our book. Hallie, show me the front cover and let's show everybody what we did. What does it say? Can you read it to Mama?
A very special gift for Hallie. Merry Christmas from Dad and Mom.
Awesome. And then what about the very back? So Hallie went through and put stickers in the places where they go.
And it says, my full name is Hallie Joy S. My favorite Disney character is Anna and Elsa.
Good.
They are my favorite because I watched the movie. My favorite storybook is The Ice King.
Awesome. Are you excited to read?
Yeah.
All right. I wanted to tell you parents this special, very important piece of information. So it comes with this little postcard. It says, Merry Christmas to all. It's super cute. It has the Toy Story characters on the front, and on the back though, it has it's a postcard from Santa. So you want to make sure that you pull this out in the beginning of your project once you start opening the tin, and you want to set that aside and put that back in when you lock the tin up and put your little surprises in there so that they can open all of this up on Christmas Eve. It's going to be super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had so much fun doing this project with my daughter. Again, it's super cheap. It was under 10 bucks, and we can do this for years to come. This is definitely something that you can just pull out from every year, put different trinkets and surprises in there. I'm excited that we found a new tradition, and I hope that this gives you some ideas for a new tradition that you can do with your family that's also Disney themed and very affordable. So that's it for today. As always, guys, go and make today magical.
Okay, sorry everybody. Let me start that again. Welcome. My Mickey ears fell off. And today we're gonna open up this Christmas countdown.
Good job. You are natural.
Mama,
Before Christmas, you're gonna start.
Where it is. Don't tell them where it is.
Well, they're gonna know because they're the parents.
My nails are kind of sharp like Mom's.
Yeah.
Because I've been biting them on them every day.
Okay. Oh, nice. What's this one?
Moana, a pig named Pua.
That looks so cute.
Oh, that's when Pua was born.
No way. That's awesome.
The Ice Games.
By what movie?
Frozen.
It wouldn't be Christmas without Frozen in part of it.